Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best color words is probably one of the most essential and versatile tools for any educator looking to create a vibrant and informative learning environment, as these visually appealing charts can transform a plain classroom wall into an engaging educational display that aids young learners in recognizing and associating colors with their corresponding words, fostering early literacy and cognitive development through consistent exposure and interactive learning. Number 5. Hadley designs 16 educational posters. Enhance your child's early education with our set of 16 laminated posters. They cover essential topics like the alphabet, numbers, shapes, and emotions, making learning interactive and fun for toddlers and preschoolers. Looking for engaging, screen-free learning for your little ones? These posters offer a fantastic alternative, helping children recognize shapes, colors, and numbers while supporting their development through hands-on interaction. These classroom essentials are perfect for kindergarten and preschool settings. They include key visuals like the alphabet, number charts, and weather charts, helping children grasp foundational concepts. Complement your homeschool curriculum with these posters designed for self-paced, hands-on learning. They cover topics from maps to body parts, acting as visual aids for independent study. Keep children focused and excited with our vibrant educational posters. Perfect for classrooms, daycares, or kids' rooms, they make learning an enjoyable and effective experience. Searching for a thoughtful gift? These posters are ideal for birthdays, holidays, or teacher appreciation. They offer lasting educational value and are perfect for moms, teachers, and homeschooling parents. What we like? This set offers a comprehensive 16 posters covering essential topics like the alphabet, numbers, and emotions. It's designed for screen-free learning, making it ideal for toddlers and preschoolers. If you are looking for a wide variety of foundational learning materials in a single package, this is a great choice for your classroom or homeschool. What people say. The colors are vibrant and clear, making them easy for young children to recognize and learn. The size of the cards is perfect for a classroom wall, large enough to be seen from a distance but not overwhelming. The set includes a good variety of basic color words, which is great for early learning. Number 4. Hadley designs 16 educational posters. Ignite your child's learning journey with our vibrant set of 16 educational posters. They cover essential topics like the alphabet, numbers, shapes, and emotions, making learning interactive and fun for toddlers and preschoolers. Looking for engaging ways to keep your little ones learning without screens? This set provides a fantastic screen-free alternative, perfect for playroom essentials, helping children recognize key concepts and fostering early development. These classroom essentials are perfect for circle time and learning centers. They feature key visuals like the alphabet, numbers, and weather, making them must-haves for teachers to help children grasp foundational concepts. Complement your homeschool curriculum with these posters designed for self-paced, hands-on learning. They cover topics from maps to body parts, offering visual aids that help children understand and retain information independently. These colorful posters are perfect for any learning space, from classrooms to kids' rooms. They help keep children focused and excited about learning, making the educational experience both fun and effective. Searching for a thoughtful gift? These posters make an excellent present for young children, parents, or teachers. They offer lasting educational value while beautifully decorating any learning environment. What we like? This set features 16 vibrant, colorful posters that make learning interactive and fun for young children. The durable laminated finish ensures they can withstand frequent use. If you want to create an engaging and visually stimulating learning environment that holds up over time, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The colors are vibrant and clear, making them easy for young children to identify. The size of the cards is perfect for a classroom wall, large enough to be seen from a distance. Durable material that holds up well to daily use in a busy classroom environment. Number 3. Schoolgirl style Hello Sunshine alphabet line bulletin board. Bring a burst of sunshine into your learning space with this cheerful alphabet line bulletin board set. Its vibrant colors are sure to brighten your classroom and serve as a helpful student reference all year long. This rainbow-themed mini bulletin board is designed to make learning fun and engaging. It helps students master the alphabet and practice proper letter formation with ease. Beyond the alphabet, this display also features numbers 0 through 10. Its cheerful design and sunny accents create a happy and inviting atmosphere in your classroom. Each individual piece measures 21 by 6 inches. When put together, this language arts display creates a substantial 168 by 6-inch bulletin board, perfect for any classroom wall. Designed in collaboration with Schoolgirl Style, this trendy accessory takes the guesswork out of classroom design. It's an easy way to create a stylish and functional learning environment. What we like. This set specifically focuses on the alphabet and proper manuscript letter formation, presented in a cheerful rainbow theme. It also includes numbers 0 to 10. If your primary goal is to teach letter recognition and formation in a visually appealing way, this is an excellent option for your classroom decor. What people say. The colors are vibrant and clear, making them easy for young children to identify. The size of the cards is perfect for a classroom wall display, large enough to be seen from a distance. These cards are a great educational tool for teaching basic color recognition and vocabulary. Number 2. Hadley designs educational ABC posters. Boost your little one's learning journey with these engaging educational posters. They are designed to help children ages 1 to 3 recognize letters, numbers, shapes, and colors in a fun, visual way. Encourage early childhood development without screens. This interactive tool promotes essential skills in a tactile, hands-on way, offering a valuable alternative to screen time. Add these vibrant alphabet posters to any classroom setting to inspire young learners. They are an ideal resource for reinforcing fundamental concepts during learning sessions. Enhance your homeschool curriculum with this ABC chart, designed to foster independent learning. It helps kids master letters and shapes through visual cues, creating an interactive learning space. Transform your learning space with these colorful wall posters. They bring the alphabet to life, making them an exciting addition that keeps children focused and eager to explore early learning concepts. Looking for the perfect educational gift? These toddler posters make an excellent present for young children, parents, or teachers, providing long-lasting learning value. What we like. This poster is a fantastic tool for hands-on learning, covering the alphabet, numbers 1 to 100, and shapes with vibrant, easy-to-read visuals. Its laminated and durable design makes it suitable for active learning environments. If you need a single, robust poster to introduce fundamental concepts like letters, numbers, and shapes, this is a great pick for toddlers and preschoolers. What people say. The colors are vibrant and clear, making them easy for young children to distinguish. The size of the cards is perfect for a classroom wall, large enough to be seen from a distance but not overwhelming. These cards are a great visual aid for teaching color recognition and vocabulary. Number 1. Wall Pops DWPK 2466 Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit, Pink. Introducing our beautiful Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. Add a splash of color to any room with these charming pink designs. Decorating is a breeze with our easy peel and stick application. Simply peel off the backing and apply to your desired surface. Not quite right? No problem. These decals are fully repositionable, allowing you to adjust them until they're perfect. Worried about damage? Our wall art is safe for your walls. It's always removable and leaves no sticky residue behind. These versatile decorations stick to most smooth, flat surfaces, making them perfect for walls, furniture, and more. The kit comes conveniently packaged on 4 17.25-inch by 9.75-inch sheets, providing plenty of pieces to work with. With a total of 59 pieces, you have everything you need to create a stunning and personalized look for your space. What we like. This wall art kit offers a simple and flexible way to decorate your space with a charming watercolor dots design. The peel and stick, repositionable nature means you can easily change the look without damaging your walls. If you're looking for a quick, render-friendly, and stylish way to add a pop of color and fun to a classroom or playroom, this is an ideal solution. What people say. This is a great resource for teaching color words. The colors are bright and vibrant, making them easy to see and understand. The words are large and clear, perfect for young learners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.